Hey guys, here's the reasons why we got ourselves a Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 for my mom, who's retired and wants a new sewing machine. So this is a pretty heavy duty sewing machine, weighs about 18 or 20 pounds, so it's a little heavier on the heavier side, but it's heavy duty. So another thing was that all the buttons and the lights, they're all in the front. Same thing with the LCD panel that has all the controls. It's all bright and lit, so it's easy for her to see and get to. Also, there's a lot of quick buttons on the side, which makes it extremely easy to change the switching or move the alignment of the needle. Next thing is that she could adjust the speed right in front of her, which is nice. So she could turn a turbo mode, she could do a reversal. There's that little green light too that basically tells her that it's ready to go or not. There's also a scissor that cuts the thread very, very cleanly right off the needle. Now, of course, there's already a auto needle threader. This the automatic cutting thread is awesome too. This thing cycles really fast too, which she loves, and it's heavy duty. So she loves the performance of this machine. She loves the quick buttons on the side that you could quickly have a button mode as well as the other stitch modes that are almost instant on those quick buttons. She can also choose from like that 1,000 stitches on the side and actually see it on the display, which is really, really cool. Now, overall, there's of course the pedals and stuff. Everything is normal. Even has an extension table for this thing if she wanted to, but quite possibly she just wants a stable, powerful, easy to use, and a lot more brighter sewing machine that's reliable. So this is pretty awesome. The thing that she did complain about was the threader, the thread feed. Running the thread through is a little different from normal. You follow the numbers. So, but at the same time, you can't use a large spool that just hangs outside of the sewing machine. So this is one of the cons of the sewing machine. And running thread through or refilling the bobbin, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow the numbers. And the tension for the thread tension is awesome, according to what she says. Another thing is that the flap that moves up, it has a bunch, almost all the styles that you could choose from. So it's a quick reference guide. Another thing was that the main con, of course, was the fact that the thread feed has to be there. So she couldn't use the larger thread ones. Normally she just puts on the side, because usually without this flap, you can actually pull thread from right off the sewing machine, which makes it much more convenient. The bobbin, device, same thing. It's similar to the previous. And there's overall, she loves this new machine. It's very powerful, very fast, very easy to pick the styles and quickly see it. There also does monogramming and letters. There's like several fonts, and she kind of likes that. So she'll be playing with this a little more, and it'll be pretty fun. But overall, it's a great little machine that's easy to use, and she really likes it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's a quick review of the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. Thanks for watching, guys.